Hello, hi there, I'm Lisa and I am a designer for Cocoa Daisy, and my lovely box for March has just arrived and I'm very excited to see and share with you what I have received to design with this month. I'm going to open up the box now. Doesn't the yellow just make you feel automatically happy? I just love all this yellow packaging. I've got my main kit and I've got all sorts of bits and pieces. So let's get the main kit open first. Sorry, I've had to go and plaster up my hands. I've had two accidents this morning. I've had one with scissors opening up a box and the other first thing this morning in the dishwasher taking out a knife. And I thought this one was okay, and I've just taken off the plaster and it keeps opening up. So I'm all bandaged up this morning. Right, let's get back to this kit. This is what I'm excited about. Love these colours this month. Have you seen the sneaks online? They are amazing. I've been so excited about this one coming. I'm going to jump straight in and open up these die cuts. I've got quite a lot here today actually, so I'm excited to see what else has come. I've got a butterfly and it's all greens and lilacs and yellows, just perfect for us as we start to get into spring. Good vibes together. What does this one say? Wonderful springtime. These are perfect. I shall get a little tray to pop those on. Oh, there's one there. Now, as a designer, I always say this. One, we don't always get the full package of stamps. We get the samples. So yours will be cutely packaged. What have we got here? We've got raindrops, clouds, an umbrella. And I can't quite work out what that says, but like I said, yours will be cutely packaged, so you will get those as well. We have got these gorgeous enamel dots. I love those. So many there. And again, in this glassine envelope, I'm sure I'm probably missing a few bits. As a subscriber receiving the kit, I'm sure there will be other bits in here too. I've got a couple of tags and some twine in mine, and I will use the bag as well. Love these. I love clouds. What is it about clouds? And those colours are just so me. Really, really, these are chipboard stickers. Really, really love these. And we've got some Evalicious alphabet stickers, always handy and easy to use. Oh, more die cuts. Let's have a look and see what these are. Do love a die cut. So easy to use. I think I will be sticking these on and folding them like that. All different butterflies. These are so pretty. Love these. All different colours. I've got some more alphabet stickers in that lovely green. Now look at the paper. Let's look at the papers. We've got, let's place that down so you can see that better. We've got this one. These are the Cocoa Daisy exclusives. I love these. I'm going to be cutting those out. We have some stripes. Oh, the triangles are nice. I like those a lot. Bit of wood grain. Can't go wrong with a bit of wood grain either. Always nice. And a rather fancy butterfly. Got some pretty flowers. Also be quite nice to cut out. Love these leaves. And a little bit of a design there. Love the clouds. Oh, I just love clouds. And that yellow design is rather lovely as well. Got some, these look like puddles, don't they? Oh yeah, chance of rain. So these are puddles. Some lovely watercolour look. Oh, the blue's nice. I've got an idea for that. I might scrape some white paint down the side and have a strip of photos going down. I'm definitely going to do that one. And lovely pink. We've got some green. These colours are gorgeous. My goodness. These are stunning. I know one particular friend of mine who will be screaming out for this kit. Geraldine, do you agree? I think this kit has your name on it. Those bright pinks and all the watercolour looks. This is stunning. So that is the main kit. I have got, I'm guessing this is the paper add-on. It didn't make the designers in time last month. So I'm wondering if this is it. I love these bags as well. The quality just feels lovely. You can also cut these out as well and use these as paper. Always handy. Bit of vellum. Yep, this is the paper add-on. So we've got some beautiful vellum. Really like this. make a little mini traveller's notebook. Fold it in half as a cover. Actually, I was thinking about doing a mini book this month, so I might use some of that. And these are lovely from Simple Stories. We've got Flourish. This is Maggie Holmes. Oh, that's a nice one. I definitely use that side. Got some crate paper. Look at the leaves and lemons. The colours are just perfect, aren't they? Really beautiful. We've got this from crate paper. Oh, those cameras are fun. I'm going to have so much fun this month. I just feel really, really excited. And look at the colours there. Again, from crate paper. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. I like this a lot. I think this one has my name all over it. And shall we see what's in this little package? What have we got here? We've got that. And we've got that. Right, classified is what it says, classified. That's secret, so I can't show you, I'm afraid. But I'm allowed to use it on my projects even. I have, for the first time, asked for the planner kit. I usually get the planner pages, but this, I believe, is the full kit now, so I'm really excited. So for the first time, I'm also doing an unboxing of the planner kit, I believe. I wasn't sure if I would get it already, but it looks like I have. Oh my goodness, I feel so excited. My first ever full Cocoa Daisy planner kit. So these are my March planner pages. As I'm a designer, I've got them the month before, so I know anybody else will already have their planner pages. Should we have a look inside? Oh, my heart's just racing right now. I just feel really excited. So I have got some cute little stickers, and I've got my March dashboard. I can't wait to set my planner up now. We've got the calendar there in front, and then I've got these, which I use as my menu pages. I have actually got a video coming up. I think I'm doing it for Monday next week, all about menu planning and how I use these pages and how I plan my meals. So if that's of interest to you, please subscribe. I have got the video coming next week. These are the calendar pages. I love them because they're not numbered, so you can obviously work them to your however you want them. And then we've got the daily to-dos, and there are enough for every single day of the week. Oh, this is new. We have got bits and pieces. We've got stickers. This is so exciting because I haven't had one of these before. And we've got March stickers here as well. I just want to get my planner all set up. And we've got some lovely paper for making dashboards, I guess. Those colours are stunning, aren't they? So I've got a little charm. Let's open this up. It looks so cute. Look at this. Really pretty. So this obviously would match my scrapbooking kit that I had last month. So look how beautiful. It's like a piece of jewellery, isn't it? Oh, could you imagine that on the necklace? I love that. It's so sparkly. We've got a pad, a sticky pad, just feathers. These would be nice in your planner as well. We've got a whole load of die cuts. We've got the most beautiful planner clip. I love this. Feels solid. Really, really nice. Got a little notepad. Be fabulous. Got a beautiful pen. This pen is so heavy. Wow. And obviously it all completely coordinates with the kit. How do I open this? I'm so thick when it comes to things like this. Oh, there we go. I was overthinking it. And we've got some beautiful washi tape, greens and blue chevrons. And then let's have a look what's in here. This is so exciting. I'll reuse this bag as well. That's quite handy. So this will be then the planner kit, I guess, for April. So I've got die cuts. This all matches the scrapbooking side. So I guess I'm then missing, I don't know actually, I'm really confused. Oh no, this is, no. So these are the bits left over from the March planner kit. So had I have asked previously for the planner kit, I would have received all of this. Right, I'm with myself now. so obviously that goes with March. This now is my day in the life kit. Okay, so ignore what I just said. This is the day in the life kit that goes with my scrapbooking kit. Right, we're back on track again now. Sorry, I've really confused you. I've confused myself too. So let's open up the die cuts to go with my scrapbooking kit. I am going to be having, do you know, I was going to be having a decluttering evening. I might see if I can start that earlier and then have a scrapbooking evening. I have a house to myself tonight and all I want to do now is scrapbook. I feel very excited. That one says today. We've got some stickers. We've got the pocket kits always come with the exclusive Cocoa Daisy papers just cut down into 6x6. Love these. We've got more enamel dots. Look at that rainbow. That just jumped straight out at me. I love that. We've got, oh, these are nice. So you cut these. World flags, always fun. Love those. They are really fun actually. Love those a lot. We have got some more alphabet stickers, always handy. And let's go into, I really screwed that up, didn't I? Let's go into the journal pages. I love these colours. I might use that up like that with a photo on it. Oh, look at the clouds. I can't do that because I want to use the clouds as well. That's nice. That's being framed and going in my studio. I've just decided which side. I think I might do that side actually. I will frame that. Oh, I don't know who I'd give that to. I have a few of them. That's sweet. Actually, I might do a mini book and do it as a family mini book. Oh, that's nice. These are really cute, aren't they? I can't wait to see these smaller ones now. Rain, tea and you. Sorry, pulling my sleeves up. And rain, coffee and you. We have March and we've got April. That's pretty with the lilacs. I love the butterfly. March memories. My word for the year. My word for the year was simplify, and it's treating me very well actually. Very pleased with that. This is so sweet. I think I might use these for a mini book. I like these a lot. These make me very happy. Perfect, perfect. A perfect kit. I have so much here. And I'm going to start scrapbooking as soon as I can. My head is just full of ideas at the moment. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you love Cocoa Daisy as much as I do. And if you don't subscribe, please hit the subscribe button for more Cocoa Daisy videos, as I will be creating with this lovely little lot very soon. So if you'd like to see what I make, please subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you very soon. Bye.